Hello, I've got another delivery from eBay to unwrap. Mini discs, of course. Excellent. They look really 70s, this design, but I think this is on the Minidisc, the little butterfly there. Another yellow one with the black back. It doesn't look quite as good as the MD74 I did in a previous video, and another pink one. Now, let me see if I've got a pack of these already. Now, I don't have a box of them, but I do have this one here, which is a green one, which came as with some other ones, but I just wonder whether it was the same one, so let's have a look. Made in Japan. No barcode. So I haven't quite got the full set, but it looks like these ones are the same as the four I've already got. So what am I missing then? Blue. I'm missing the blue one. So I guess I've got to try and get a blue one. But these must have come out of a multi-pack because there's no barcode on the back. So if you have a packet of these, and you know what the original packaging looks like, could you let me know in the comments? Thanks very much.